Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. And when I was growing up on St. Patrick's Day, everyone was Irish. So I'm going to leave you with a little Irish prayer. May your troubles be less and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door. I always thought that was a beautiful saying, and I'll be leaving you with a few others throughout this pour. I'm starting off today. I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and this is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I flooded this with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and that's what I used as my base coat. And I have all green paints. I listed them all down below, and you saw them all at the beginning of this video. I'd like to thank you for being here with us this Friday with Friends, and I hope you've had a chance to see acrylic art by Mary Kirk, Joanne Ralstin Art, Acrylic Creations by jwitty, and Cynthiaporterstudio tonight. If you haven't, please look down below. You'll find all the links in my description. There is a special contest, and you'll get all that information at the end of this video. I guess I'm going to start with my darkest color. May the dreams you hold dearest be those which come true, and the kindness you spread keep returning to you. And here's my next darkest. This is the Hooker Green. And this is a Black Fluorescent Green. Oh, this is Liquitex Light Green Permanent. This is my own green that I mixed up. May God give you, for every storm, a rainbow, for every tear, a smile, for every care, a promise, and a blessing in each trial. For every problem life sends, a faithful friend to share. For every sigh, a sweet song, and an answer for each prayer. Gold. Here is an iridescent green from Sonia that I thought would look kind of pretty. Throw that all in, all around. May music fill your heart. May luck bring you cheer. May God's brightest blessings shine on you all year. White on the top. May your pockets be heavy and your heart be light. May good luck pursue you each morning and night.
Expected. Yeah. Got some beautiful cells in there. I think I'm going to leave this one alone. I actually think this one is perfect the way it is. I hate to ruin it. So I'm just going to leave this as is.
I don't want to touch anything and ruin it. Let's just be happy with what we have. If you're not subscribed, if you can take a moment and subscribe now and hit that all button, I would be very happy. And give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it if you like what you've seen today. Contest information is next, and only one winner will be chosen. There's a $50 gift card for the St. Patty's Day contest. You need to watch, subscribe, and comment on each Friday with Friends for the 3/17/23 video. The contest ends March 20th at midnight Mountain Time. You need to email Cynthiaporterstudio@yahoo.com, and this is for the Contingent USA only. All information is in my description. This contest is run by Cynthiaporterstudio and has no affiliation with YouTube in any way. Now here is the wet results, and here is the close-up of this beautiful, beautiful Chaos Dutch pour. I love the way this came out. It is absolutely stunning. I hope you love this as much as I do. Really it came beautiful. I really am very happy with this. And if you wait till the end, I will also give you the dry results on this. But right now, I do have a surprise for you, and that is gonna be tomorrow morning. I am going to have another premiere. I have a small collaboration with the Traveling Tramps, and you may already know them. And here they are when they came to visit me in California. So please be sure to set your notifications for tomorrow for the Traveling Tramps and for art. It's art by Donna. This is Dave and Kathy when we first met as they were parking their car. And look at that dried results. How beautiful is this? It is so shiny. There is no varnish on here right now. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. This is just straight paint, and it's dried, as you can see here. And it is beautiful, really beautiful. The next clip that's coming up, You'll be seeing that just from the bottom coming up. Here we go. And that's just coming up from the bottom, going up to the top. Absolutely stunning. I really love this. I love it a lot. Unfortunately, I could not go outside, so these are all inside pictures, and this is one from the left and from the right. Besides painting with Dave and Kathy, we had lots of fun. We went to a beautiful restaurant, Inn of the Seventh Ray. It was absolutely gorgeous with amazing food, and here's a picture from there. So be sure to catch Dave's premiere tomorrow morning. That'll be Saturday, and I will be going right after him, and you will watch all of us paint together. It was really quite amusing. I think you're gonna love it. We did some Easter eggs, and they did come really beautiful. And this is the gorgeous restaurant that we went to. And thank you, Holly, the Morning Pour. You were the one who suggested this, and this was absolutely stunning. You'll also find Holly's link down below. Now, just to wrap everything up here, here's a little peacock that we found at the Hollywood Forever Cemetery, because in the rain, what else would you do in Hollywood but drive your car through the cemetery with your guests? This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Hope to see you in the morning.